Visit worldrolodex.com/gamingjobsonline to learn more. Subject: $30 an hour playing video games. Hi. If you've never heard of Glenn Anderson, then here's the skinny. Like you, he's a video gamer. But he's a gamer with a difference. Because he discovered that he could actually get paid to play games. So, he eventually quit his job and started to make his living simply playing video games, or, rather, testing brand new games before they are released to the general public. That way the game creators know their games will perform properly under fire when the general public gets their hands on them. And, for this vital service, Glenn got paid up to $30 an hour. Sweet. But Glenn didn't stop there, because he saw there were tons of video game makers that needed testers, which is where you're set to cash in big time. Because he's forged strong links with all these top game creators and set up a private website to put these guys in touch with guys like you who are smart enough to know that when they are playing the latest games even before they hit Main Street, they are also getting paid for doing it. So check this out right now and take the dollar test drive. You'll be glad you did. Sincerely. P.S. And here's the best bit, you get to keep the games. So just imagine the reaction of your gaming buddies when they've paid big bucks to buy the game and you tell them, not only did you play it weeks ago, it didn't cost you a single red cent and you actually got paid to play it. Here are the heads up again. Subject: is it really possible to get paid to play games? Hi. And I guess you've heard that some smart cookies are actually getting paid to play video games and you're wondering if it's just an urban myth? So I'm happy to tell you it is not. You see, the video game business is now bigger than the movie business, worth about $62 billion currently. And with that sort of money at stake, games have to be as perfect as humanly possible. Because if a game is released with an even few bugs in it, the bad news will spread like wildfire online, sales will bomb and the game's creators will lose millions. So with that sort of money at stake, it's a drop in the ocean for the makers of the game to pay you up to $30 an hour to test their games to destruction, so they can fix any bugs before launch day. And while $30 might be a drop in the ocean to the games companies, it soon adds up to a handy income for you, particularly when you're also enjoying yourself playing games that no one else in your neighborhood has even seen yet. So don't waste another minute playing video games for nothing, when you could be getting paid up to $30 an hour for doing exactly what you enjoy doing anyway. Sincerely. P.S. Every hour you waste before you go ahead is another $30 you've thrown away, so zoom straight over to and start playing video games the smart way. After all, you can get started for just $1 and be making money today. Subject: he's made $790 in just 3 weeks playing games. Hi. Gongsun Young only started in the wonderful business of testing video games 3 weeks ago. And yet, he's already made $790. And he gives full credit to GamingJobsOnline, who he says gives you foolproof, step-by-step instructions and lists of companies guaranteed to earn you money. Right now, you can test drive everything for 7 days for just $1. So don't waste another minute before you join Gongsun and all the other happy gamers. Sincerely. P.S. By the way, Gongsun lives in Korea, and that's just one of about 150 counties that are joining in this game testing bonanza. So where you live is no barrier to your success. Here's that link again. Subject: know what the average annual income for game testers is? Hi. Did you know the average annual income for a video game tester is actually $39,063? That's more than the average USA 2014 personal income of $35,000. And what most unlucky folks have to do to make that sort of money is nowhere near as pleasant as getting paid to sit on your favorite couch playing video games in the comfort of your own home, like you can be doing just a few hours from now. So, if you haven't yet checked out this amazing opportunity, don't you think you owe it to yourself and your loved ones? Just think of all those extra luxuries you'll be able to afford with that sort of extra income. So go here, right now, and see what the fuss is all about. Sincerely. P.S. With $39,063 up for grabs, what are you waiting for? Because everything you need to get rolling is here, and you can get started for a measly $1. Subject: fancy owning a home theater, right? Hi. Imagine enjoying the thrill of going to the movies anytime you want with your very own home cinema outfit? Well, that's just what Michael James Smith of Carson, CA enjoys. Because within just a couple of months of joining GamingJobsOnline, he was able to buy a 50-inch plasma TV and Bose surround system. Go here and you can read his full story. Popcorn anyone? Sincerely. P.S. What will you buy after your first couple of months as a member of Gaming Jobs Online? You can decide here because they have an income calculator so you can work out exactly what you'll be making. Subject: $39,063 is only an average. Hi. As you probably know, $39,063 is the average income for a video game tester. But that's just an average. So just imagine how your life would be transformed if you really went for it. So imagine striding into some high-end car dealership and plumping down in that luxurious leather driver's seat in the top model, grasping that chunky steering wheel, gazing down that enormous hood and admiring the gleaming walnut dashboard trim, all the while savoring that new car aroma. And, when the sales guy rushes up, you silence him by saying you'll take it and you'll be paying cash. That's the sort of experience you'll enjoy when you have the keys to the kingdom of game tester riches, which you'll get here. Sincerely. P.S. And you can test the whole site out for a full 7 days for just $1. Subject: how Ryan makes more playing games than a normal job. Hi. Allow me to introduce you to Ryan Carter of Piedmont, CA. After Ryan graduated from college, he decided to take some time out before getting a job. And, when playing video games, he stumbled across. Long story short, Ryan never did get that job. Because, as he says, thanks to Gaming Jobs Online, he makes more playing games part-time that he could make in a boring 9-to-5 job. Nuff said. Sincerely. P.S. So isn't it time you quit your boring 9-to-5 job treadmill and made as much doing something you really enjoy? What's more, you can test drive everything for $1. Visit worldrolodex.com/gamingjobsonline to learn more.